full day number 3. This time we are going to climb to the tippy top, probably walking most of the way. Gonna run a blue trail down, hit some new stuff, hit some same stuff as yesterday, and hopefully later I'll be checking out Chunder Muffin and No Dab, so we'll see about that. It depends if I can convince this one in front of me to let me do it. Over there where that gate is, we're going all the way to the tippy top of this hill slash mountain, so here we go. Rough Rock Ridge. Huh? That's a lot better, huh? Yeah. Woohoo! Yeah, go left. I'll ride it for you. Yeah, go left, you're good. And then shoot the gap at the bottom. This, not so much. That's, whoa. Good save. Good job. Here we go. Pretty. A little tree tunnel. Small tree tunnel.
Birds are chirping. The Devons are riding. Here comes one now. Majestic.
Up through the oak tree. Right there. Here we go. You're hard. Up here. Yeah. Hopefully I can remember where it is. Where is it?
That's not comforting.
I can't see where it is. Okay, so you run this. Okay, sorry. I didn't want to go off the wrong thing.
I appreciate your caution.
What?
I appreciate your caution.
Can't see.
That's cool.
Oh, yeah. Got it. Got the hard part. That's fine. Sarah and I are establishing technical terms. We just went through a dippity dip followed by a bumpity bump. Following Sarah, coming into freaking nature. Sarah's favorite section so far. Doing it again. This is such a great section, man. Yeah. Come on, no brakes, no brakes. No brakes. Shut up and stop talking to me, she says. Captain Cautious. Yeah. And there we have it. New territory. Greywalls. I heard Sarah say, ooh, this is fun. So good. Rudy. Don't go over the top. There's no margin for error right there. This is so good. That is so good. That's definitely one of my favorite sections yet. All those jumps were great. Just perfect jumps for me, selfishly speaking. Good. You got it. Oh, how cool. How cool. Oh, you got it, Sarah. It's nothing. Sarah's just cruising right behind me. It is lean too. All right, I gotta run this the other direction. This is too good to pass up. Man, that's pretty stinking good. Try that. A little bit of lip at the bottom, so you gotta take it hard. We'll see. Oh, damn. Yeah. Rock garden. Another rock garden. golf course. Gotta be quiet around the golf course. You got it, you got it, you got it. Oh, I didn't get it. Oh, pretty. Super pretty. That's all about the scenery here. Cool. Leave it to mountain bikers to make a bench and a feature in one. Did you brake before the bridge? What? Are you lying? It's gonna be gnarly. Heads up down here. Right here, gnar. Woo! Gnar. That's flat! Yep. Yeah. Good job. All right, we are all done for the morning. It's lunchtime. Yum. Whoop. 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 So what was your favorite? Freaking Nature is her favorite. It is a pretty sweet line. That's all for the morning. Hit the aggressive stuff this afternoon, right, Jerry? All right, lunchtime. We are out for a leisurely ride for our last evening. And just running this trail right down Lake Superior. We document our hikes. We have to document this. Right here. Right. All right, just for DJ. Stop is the law. Sarah says, don't go too far. I just want to go a little further. Hi, Sarah. Sarah, where are you going? Time to get on the bikes again? Okay. Downtown Marquette. Man, that's something.
I think I'm not very excited again.
Not bad.